So, what is modulation? Well, modulation is defined as the process of altering the parameters of a carrier signal to encode a message signal for transmission over long distances. So, kumbaga, yung carrier signal, binabago to para yung signal na ipaparating sa receiver is hindi humina dahil sa pag malayong signal, humihina yun. Then, modulation also has three types: the AM, FM, and PM.
Now we know how important is modulation is. Importante ding inote na kailangang stable ang carrier signal. But a stable signal is nothing if walang information signal na nagko-contain ng actual information. May tinatawag na AM, FM, and PM, and these are the modulation techniques na usually kailangan ng carrier signal in order to be transmitted to a specific receiver. Of course, bandwidth plays an important role sa modulation as well, kasi every carrier signal has to match the frequency range para ma-accommodate yung modulated signal. At lastly is yung receiver compatibility. Ang modulated signal na galing sa isang transmitter ay kailangang ma-demodulate pagdating sa isang receiver.
So, pag-usapan natin ang advantage ng modulation. One of the advantage of modulation is that we can utilize bandwidth to its full potential and allows multiplexing. Example, sa radio waves, radio wave is only one of the electromagnetic spectrum, but we can utilize it and use a lot of applications and multiplexing for the datas.
Ngayon naman tatalakayin natin ang mga types ng modulation. Una na rito ang continuous wave modulation. Dito gumagamit tayo ng high frequency sine wave para matransmit yung signal. May dalawa itong types. Una ang amplitude modulation or AM kung saan nagbabago yung amplitude ng carrier wave depende sa lakas ng signal. Kaya madalas ito ginagamit sa AM radio. Pangalawa ang angle modulation kung saan binabago angle ng wave at meron itong dalawang subtypes. Una ang frequency modulation para sa pagbabago ng frequency at phase modulation para sa pagbabago ng phase.
Pulse modulation, a method of encoding message signals using rectangular pulses, is classified into analog and digital types. It widely used in digital communicating due to noise and resistance and efficient bandwidth use.
So this is the classifications of modulation wherein dalawa yan. First one is yung analog signal or analog modulation. Then yung other one is yung digital or discrete. So under ng analog is yung mga radios, and the other sa digital naman dyan nakabase si PWM, si Wi-Fi, and yun lang.